All right, guys, today we're going to look at 11.2 on page 63. So it tells us Noah's recipe for one batch of sparkling orange juice uses 4 liters of orange juice and 5 liters of soda water. Number 1 says use the double number line to show how many liters of each ingredient to use for different sized batches of sparkling orange juice. So the ratio they give me is that the orange juice is 4 liters, the soda water is 5 liters. So for every 4 liters of orange juice, I'm using 5 liters of soda water. So the key with a double number line is I need to increase by the same amount each time. So this one is going to increase from 4 to 8. This is going to increase from 5 to 10. This one is increasing by 4 each time. This one is going to increase by 5 each time. So I'm going to have 12 to 15, 16 to 20. Up here is 20 to 25, 24 to 30, 28 to 35, 32 to 40, 36 to 45, 40 to 50, and then the last one I can show on here is 44 to 55. So this one is increasing by 4 each time. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, and so on. This one is increasing by 5 each time. 5, 10, 15, and so on. So if someone mixes 36 liters of orange juice and 45 liters of soda water, how many batches would they make? So for number 2, I'm looking at 36 orange juice, so that's right here, and 45. So these line up like they should. So they want to know how many batches. So this 4 to 5 ratio makes 1 batch. So this is 1 batch. This is 2 batches, 3 batches, 4 batches, 5 batches, 6 batches, 7 batches, 8 batches, 9 batches. So how many batches would they make? They would make 9 batches. All right. So the double number line works well for this particular problem. Let's look at number 3. So if someone uses 400 liters of orange juice, how much soda water would they need? So if I go back and I look at my double number line, there is definitely not 400 liters of orange juice anywhere on this double number line. And I do not want to make this all the way to 400. I'm nowhere close to 400. That's going to take me a very long time to do. All right, so I need to think of a better way. So what we've been doing, and the reason we've been doing this is because it's the better way, we've been using tables for problems like this. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make my table. So I have OJ on one side, and I have soda water on the other side. So the ratio they tell me is 4 liters of OJ to 5 liters of soda water. All right. So now I'm trying to get, well, how much soda water would they need if they had 400 liters of orange juice? So they want to get me to 400 liters of orange juice. So what I'm trying to figure out is, what do I do to get from 4 to 400? So in the table, this becomes fairly easy. I can just multiply by 100. That's going to get me from 4 to 400. So to keep this equivalent, all my ratios need to be equivalent, I have to do the same thing to both sides. So 5 times 100 gets me 500. So I would need 500 liters of soda water. That's in order to make this so it tastes the same, so it's equivalent ratio. All right. The next one says, if someone uses 455 liters of soda water, how much orange juice would they need? This one gets a little trickier. Again, no way am I going to be able to use my double number line for this one. I'm not going to be able to get up to 455 liters of soda water. All right, so I'm going to use my table again. So again, I have OJ to soda water. My ratio hasn't changed. It's still 4 to 5. But now I'm trying to get to 455. All right, so that's a little trickier because I'm trying to figure out, well, 5 times what number is going to get me 455? So in order to figure this problem out, 5 times something equals 455. I can use division. I can use what we call like a fact family. So this is the same as 455 divided by 5. So 45 divided by 5 is 9. I can bring down that 5. 5 goes into 5 one time. That's 5. I have 0 left. So this would be 91. 5 times 91 is 455. All right, so a little bit of work, but certainly a lot less work than trying to make a double number line still. So now I need to do 4 times 91, because whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other side. So I'm just going to do 4 times 91. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 9 is 36. So this would be 364. So we would need 364 liters of OJ. All right, and explain the trouble with using a double number line to answer the last 2 questions. We kind of talked about that. Those numbers are just way too big. I can't make my double number line that large. All right, have a great rest of your day. Bye.